So the Lull mattress came. Billy is super excited about this, and it came so fast. I think it was shipped out yesterday and it came today, which is so nice. And it actually came like right to my door. I mean, if you lived like in a house, I guess it would just go to your door, but literally my doorman or like the service guy brought it up to my door and put it in my room. So that was so nice. I didn't have to like go anywhere to go get it. They just brought it to me, and it came in this box, which is like actually super small and nice. And I don't know how they have a mattress in here, but I'm super excited to get it and put it on my bed. Billy's bringing the box over to my room. Almost there, babe.
Well, no,
or maybe we can slide it out
together, so it's not gonna just blow up when it comes out of the box.
Okay, let's just
I got an idea.
Yeah, let's just put it on the bed. Ooh. Oh. Oh, wow. Here, you just have to unwrap it. Come on, muscles.
So they call me back home.
Yay! Okay. How do we know which way's the front? Starting to deflate. You can hear it. It's like rising.
Being careful not to cut the cover.
Ooh, it's soft. Wow, that was easy. We got the mattress all set up, and it says Lull right there. How's it feel, babe?
Definitely memory foam me. Go ahead, babe, check it out. Are you excited you have a mattress now?
I am so excited.
You can actually sleep in peace.
We have been sleeping on a twin mattress together.
We've been like...
I don't know how. I really don't.
It's been like a wrestling match sleeping at night.
So the mattress is super comfortable and supportive, but it's also durable. Also, it was so easy to take apart, as you guys could see. Like, I'm so glad that they shipped it here, and they ship everything. They ship all their mattresses for free, which is amazing because there was no more room in my car for anything. So that's so awesome that they will ship the mattress to you for free. So the mattress is an ultra premium memory foam mattress, and it's so soft still and not like super hard. It's just like the perfect amount of memory foam. Basically having a luxury mattress at a really good price. Lull has really great customer service too. I actually called them today and everyone was so nice on the phone. So they actually have sleep experts who will go above and beyond to help you with any sleep need that you have. So if you guys would like to get your own Lull mattress, then just check out the description bar, and we're just going to finish up the bed and put all the good stuff on it, like the mattress, sheets, and all my good stuff, and the pillows.